Good morning. I am Harshit Mathur, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, boat crosses 50 million made in India products milestone. Flipkart enters the quick commerce race with Flipkart Minutes. Meta opens applications for Llama 3.1 impact grants. WhatsApp to introduce new feature displaying avatars on chat info screen. Apple yet to fulfill macOS promise from 4 years ago. Google Chrome users warned by Indian government about major security issue. Realme launches C63 5G smartphone in India and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you who is the CEO of YouTube, and the answer is Neil Mohan. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: who is the owner of WhatsApp? Think you know the answer? We want to hear from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We will reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin, so stay tuned to see if you got it right. Good luck, tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to comment with your answer. Boat, India's leading audio wearable brand, has announced that it has crossed the 50 million mark in Made in India product. This milestone underscores Boat's commitment to the Make in India initiative and its role in boosting local manufacturing, research and development, and job creation. Boat currently manufactures 70 to 75% of its audio and smart wearable products within India. The company has been instrumental in building a robust domestic production ecosystem, which has reduced dependency on imports and optimized its supply chain. Boat's joint venture with Dixon Technologies named Californics has been a key factor in scaling up production and creating new job opportunities. This collaboration has also enhanced product quality and reduced lead times. Flipkart has entered the quick commerce segment with its new service Flipkart Minutes, joining the competitive landscape alongside Blinkit, Zepto, and Swiggy Instamart. This move signifies Flipkart's aggressive approach to capturing a share of the quick commerce market. Quick commerce has a model gained popularity for 4 years ago, coinciding with the disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Flipkart has previously attempted to enter the grocery delivery market with Flipkart Quick in 2015 and Supermart in 2017, but both initiatives were eventually phased out. Unlike its previous attempt, Flipkart is now adopting the dark store model, which has become the standard for quick commerce. Flipkart Minutes offers free deliveries on orders above INR 99 and charges a platform fee of INR 5 per order. Meta has launched the Llama 3.1 Impact Grants program, offering up to $2 million, approximately 16.75 crore in funding. This initiative aims to support innovative projects that use Meta's open source AI model, Llama 3.1. To address social challenges, Meta is looking for proposals from global organizations that demonstrates creative and effective use of Llama 3.1. Economic development initiatives that drive economic growth and job creation, science and innovation projects that advance scientific research and technological innovation, public service programs that improve public welfare and community services. Selected projects will receive grants of up to $5 lakh. The grant recipients will be announced in early 2025. WhatsApp is developing a new feature that will allow users to display their avatars on the chat info screen. This feature aims to enhance personalization and identity expression within the app. Previously, WhatsApp was working on a feature that allowed users to control who could use their avatar in stickers. The upcoming feature will take personalization a step further by making avatars visible in user profiles during chats. When users view a contact's profile in a chat, they will be able to see the contact's personalized avatar by swiping on the profile picture. This adds a layer of individuality and self-expression to online interactions. In 2020, shortly after the release of macOS Big Sur, Apple experienced widespread server outages affecting app launches, iMessage, Apple Pay, and the notarization service. The outage revealed flaws in how Apple handles app verification, particularly during server downtimes. macOS performs verification checks when launching apps to ensure they aren't malware and that the developer certificates are valid. During the outage, these checks caused apps to take a long time to launch because macOS still attempted to connect to the servers instead of failing. After the incident, Apple promised changes, including an option to allow users to completely opt out of online notarization checks. These changes were intended to roll out starting in 2021, addressing concerns about user privacy and the collection of data. Next, we have the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-In) has issued a high-severity security warning for Google Chrome users across the country. This alert is likely to concern millions of Chrome users due to the potential risk involved. The warning highlights multiple vulnerabilities in Google Chrome for desktop, which could be exploited by remote attackers to execute arbitrary code on the targeted systems. The issues are related to the uninitialized use in DON, out of bounds read in web transport, and insufficient data validation in DOM. Exploitation of these vulnerabilities could allow attackers to bypass device security by tricking users into clicking on malicious links. This could lead to unauthorized access and data theft. Realme has launched its latest C-series 5G smartphone, the Realme C63 5G, in India. The device features a 6.67-inch HD Plus display with a 120Hz dynamic refresh rate and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 SoC. The Realme C63 5G boasts a 32-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera. It has a sleek 7.94 ultra slim design and comes with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 10-watt quick charge. The device offers up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, expandable via micro SD card slot. It runs on Realme UI 4.0, which is based on Android 13. This is Harshit Mathur signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all your tech updates.